Hello everyone. So how do you cash out on Flip app in 2025? So to start off, let's open up the application. Okay, let's wait it out. So it's still loading. Now I have already signed in with my Gmail account. I can do the same, as you can see. Now, to cash out, you just need to get to the load. Now here you just need to click on, all right, so you just need to load and click on the crypto. Now, here you can choose between which kind of currency you can send. So you can receive USDT in the Flip app and so on. So you just need a wallet for it if you'd like to send to Flip. And that's basically how you send money through Flip. And to cash it out, you just need to reverse it and send some crypto through your wallet to cash out. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.